Hey guys, welcome to Jan Technology. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert images in HTML using the browser method. So you can use Google or other Google Chrome or other browsers if you want. Okay. Plus you'll also learn some additional tips and tricks. So before we start, I just want to say that I'm really sorry to hear that Silver Shiny's iPad is broken, and I hope it gets fixed as soon as possible. Because I know she mainly uses her iPad to make videos. Okay, let's get started. First, go to your code editor, which is Atom in my case, and open two files. The first one called index.html and the second one style.css. You can call it anything you want actually. So this video will be split in two parts. The first part will be the HTML part, which is the main how to insert an image part, and the second part will be the CSS part, which would be how to decorate it with some frames and stuff. Okay, now let's start with this part first, HTML. Just type HTML and then tab and then link, which will link to this CSS file. Okay, I'm sure you know that by now. Okay, next, just type img, use your img tag, and then src, which stands for source, equals, and then let us go to this tab. So I found this image from my browser. You can use any image you want. You just make sure it's free or you might get some copyright stuff. Okay, just right click it, copy image address. It's so easy. And go back to Atom and then paste it. That's as easy as that. Now I just type this and yeah, you're done. Next, let's preview HTML to see what we have got. And ta-da! It will pop up this image. Yeah, it's the same size, so it's really convenient. Okay, now let's move on to the next part, the CSS part. First, we need to make a div here to make a frame, a photo frame. So just let's add the closing tag here. Okay, next. So as you can see the div surrounds the image tag, so it will surround it kind of. So just go to CSS tab and then let's start. So first let's make the body, the whole body to be, whoops, oh, typo, sorry. Okay, background color is maybe gray, or actually let's do cyan, and then semicolon. Okay, next let's move on to the image. We can make it smaller as this might be too big. Okay, so width is 100px. It might be a bit squashed later because this is not a square format. I want to make it a square format though, so it's easier to handle. Okay, let's save it, and ta-da! Good. Now let us make the frame. So first, just type the width and stuff. Width is 100% also, because it should be the same as this, so it can just wrap it around. It can be the same size. Height is 100px again, just like this, just like the image. And then we need the border, which is you can set it to 15px, which is very wide, or you can do a normal 2px, which is okay, and solid, and then black. You can use any color. So this will be the color of the frame. Maybe black might be very hard to see, but yeah, let's try it first. Okay, now let's save this, and ta-da! So let me show you how 15 pixels looks like. Wow, that's really wide. Okay, so basically it's like that. You can also make it a circular frame. Just add this line of code, border radius to 50%, and then copy it to the image here, and then save it. And wow, it's like a circular painting. No, it's a circular picture. Yes, maybe hanging in your corridor. Okay, so thanks for watching this coding lesson, and remember to have fun coding. Also, stay tuned for part 2 of how to insert images in HTML. There I will teach you how to insert images using method 2. Stay tuned.